How to use Microsoft Quick Assist. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Quick Assist, a fantastic tool for remotely helping someone troubleshoot issues on their Windows computer. Let's dive into the steps. To get started, go to the Start menu on your Windows computer and type Quick Assist into the search bar. Click on the Quick Assist app to open it. You'll see two main options: Get Assistance if you need help and Give Assistance if you're the one providing help. Once Quick Assist is open, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure you're logged in, especially if you're the one giving assistance, as you'll need to generate a security code. If you're the one providing help, click Assist Another Person. Quick Assist will generate a unique 6-digit security code that you'll share with the person you're helping. Now you'll need to send this code to the other person, who will enter it on their end. You can share it over email, text, or even read it out if you're on a phone call with them. Once they enter the code, they'll need to approve your request to access their screen. After they accept, you'll be able to view and control their computer screen. If you're the one receiving help, go to Quick Assist on your computer and click Get Assistance. When the helper sends you the 6-digit code, enter it in the box provided and click Share Screen. After entering the code, you'll see a prompt asking if you want to allow screen control. Click Allow to give the helper access to your screen. Now you can sit back and watch as they troubleshoot or show you what to do. You'll still be able to see everything they're doing and can take back control anytime by closing the Quick Assist window. And that's it. Now you know how to use Microsoft Quick Assist to give or get remote help on a Windows computer. It's a simple tool that can save you a lot of time and make troubleshooting much easier. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech and tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.